Are you spending time and money on marketing your SaaS product but struggling to match the reach and results of top industry players? You are not alone. Many SaaS founders feel the same frustration as they watch their competitors not just win the visibility game but also dominate user acquisition with what seems like ease. But what if I told you the secret lies in learning from the SaaS marketing champions who have already cracked the code? Hey, I am Komal and I help SaaS founders unlock the growth potential of their products through proven marketing strategies. In this video, we will break down what these champions are doing right and how you can replicate their success. Stay with me till the end for actionable steps and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights like this. Before we begin, join our exclusive community SaaS group on WhatsApp. Network with fellow SaaS founders and grow your business. Alright, let's understand this in detail. What sets SaaS marketing champions apart? When we think of successful SaaS brands like HubSpot, Canva, and Asana, one thing becomes clear. They don't just market their products, they create experiences. Here is how. Educational content that converts. HubSpot's blog is a goldmine for digital marketers. Their Marketing Hub ROI Calculator is a perfect example of providing value while gently nudging prospects toward their product suite. Users feel empowered while getting educated, making the transition to paid tools natural. Product-led growth. Canva relies on its freemium model and its magic resize feature. A design team head who tries it for free quickly realizes its value for creating campaigns at scale, leading to team-wide subscriptions. Community building. Asana's strategy includes webinars like Mastering Agile Workflows with Asana, where users interact live with experts. This not only builds loyalty but also strengthens brand trust by providing actionable solutions to the real-world problems. How can you apply their strategies? You don't need a multi-million-dollar budget to start. Here is how you can draw inspiration from these champions. Invest in SEO and content distribution. Publish problem-solving content tailored to each stage of the buyer journeys. For example, Asana's team templates pages rank highly on Google, attracting specific audiences like marketing or development teams looking for pre-built solutions. Leverage premium models with strategic upsells. Offer a free plan showcasing your tool's core functionality. Canva uses tooltips and guided tutorials to nudge users toward premium features like export options for professional printing. Engage on niche platforms. Target forums and communities where your audience spends time. Slack's presence on Reddit's startup forum has sparked conversations around collaboration, helping it grow among bootstrap businesses. Distribution strategy secrets. Here is a game changer. Omni-channel distribution. Canva repurposes its design tutorials across YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. For instance, a single tutorial on creating Instagram carousel becomes a blog post, a YouTube video, and an Instagram reel. You can replicate this by turning blog posts into LinkedIn carousels or Instagram short-form videos. Hosting live Q&A sessions on YouTube to address your audience's pain points. Running hyper-targeted ads aligned with specific search intents. Time to act. SaaS marketing champions didn't succeed overnight. They tested, learned, and optimized their strategies. The good news? You can skip their mistakes and start with proven frameworks. Join our exclusive community SaaS group on WhatsApp. Network with fellow SaaS founders and grow your business. In the next video, I will show you how to effectively distribute your SaaS explainer video to increase views and lead generation chances. Ready to learn more? Hit the subscribe button and let's grow your SaaS product to new heights.